Hi, Demetrius Malbro here with Data Protection Gumbo, reporting on information from June the 30th that I feel is important. First off, we have blockchain technology is changing the food industry. We have Walmart that's actually leading an initiative called the Food Trust that's leading a blockchain-backed technology that's tracking products from multiple companies such as Dole, Nestle, Driscoll's, Kroger's, etc., from field to fork, tracking exactly where those products originated. Let's say in case there's an E. coli breakout. Lettuce or spinach, right? They'll be able to pull up in a matter of seconds exactly where that product originated, getting to the root of the problem, instead of taking hours if it was on paper. So once again, that's information that's collected, information that's tracked, information that's stored, information that will need to be protected. IBM Watson, you know what that is? It's a supercomputer that uses artificial intelligence. IBM teaches and trains it in order to do certain capabilities and functions. For this particular case, it's gauging emotions. Think the Wimbledon sports games, tennis. So you have John McEnroe, who's running up and down the court, and guess what? He's showing emotions. Artificial intelligence with Watson will be able to track and gauge his emotions along with the crowd's response, send that information up, analyze it, and provide it to, let's say, Facebook, to allow Facebook users to click on it and to analyze and to determine exactly what's happening as well. Artificial intelligence, once again, is taking on traffic congestion. So imagine sitting in the back of your self-driving car, you're on your way to the airport, you leave your neighborhood, you go right through the red light, not even worrying about if it's green or if it's red. Why? It's all live streaming data that's pulled and collected from the cloud, it's analyzed, and it knows exactly where the traffic is, so you can actually get there much faster, and it increases your commute. So once again, that's data collected, data that will need to be stored, and data that will need to be protected. So what does blockchain and homeless people have in common? Well, Austin, Texas knows the answer because they've decided to create blockchain technology to store homeless individuals' personal data, right? Or personal documents. They're thinking they can access it via their cell phones or their computers. Not too sure about that one, but it's information that's going to be collected, information that will need to be stored, and information that once again will need to be protected. Have you ever sat on a smart park bench, or maybe even a smart table? Not quite sure why this one is needed, but these tables, these benches have sensors installed and they're connected. They're sending information to the internet. I'm not sure what type of information, but once again, it's data collected, data stored, and of course that data will need to be protected. And last but not least, California passes the Online Data Privacy Bill. So, big tech companies are not too happy about this bill, but if California passes it, then guess what? Other states are following behind. So, I recommend you take a look at this bill and become familiar with it. Thank you for listening.